Well done, dudes. One more for me, please.
One more, Pack-a-Noodles.
Here we go.
I'm so sad, but all I can do is try, try.
So...
Imagine being betrayed by a lover. Play with that intention.
No, I'm gonna cry.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I just hope you'd miss me too. Reaction. Okay, let's give it a go. Let it hang, dude. Let it just fucking hang out. Really good take, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't believe you nailed that clean part. Like,
Yeah, I thought it was the track. But it makes me think of you!
right now, after a few days away, too, I was just poking through them. Man, they're tight. They're fucking awesome.
Are you feeling them?
I'm feeling them, man. Nicotine said.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Sorry.
Sorry, can you give us like one more bar of lead up?
Give us some of your beer.
You want a sip? You want a sip, baby?
Okay, go. Now I'm sad at the mall. Oh, oh.
End it. You remember the words?
The whole thing?
Yeah, we're just gonna do the whole thing. Okay, ready? Nice work, dudes.
So sick, everybody.
Thank you, homies, for doing it.
And yeah, super pleasure to be here.
Thanks so
and
much.
be
I love
involved.
it.
So
Thank
thank
you for
you.
doing it. Thank you for
More than
doing it,
anything,
guys.
thank you.
Thank you
For
for
involving
Fuck
us.
yeah, dude. That's fun as hell. These songs are great.
Yeah.
They're pretty good.
It's fucking cool.